Hey guys, welcome back to Emmventures Adventures. We are going to be traveling on a trail today. It's a little bit snowy still out, but you know, it's beautiful and it's a nature hike. It's an actual legitimate hiking trail, and let's go and explore. So as I said, it's icy and a little bit wet, but just look at that though. Is that not beautiful? So as I was getting here today, I happened to park behind another vehicle, so there is a high possibility we are going to be running into some people in this adventure. This is a local trail. It's a local park. You can come and visit here and just wear proper hiking shoes, because yeah, I did it again. Oh, it's squishy, but it is beautiful. Just look at all this. Oh. Just a little bit muddy, just a little. But I'm out here getting you guys some amazing content, enjoying this beautiful views. Just look at this, just behind me. Oh, it's so nice. And I wish you guys can smell the air out here. Oh, it's amazing. From the ice melting to all of the pine trees. Oh God, guys, it's amazing out here. But going along this trail, I need you guys to do what you guys do best, and that is like, comment, and subscribe to all of my wonderful adventures. And I'll definitely take you on more adventures. So let's keep this adventure going. So, I've been here once before when I was much smaller. I don't think I've ever really explored here on my own. But let me just get in this little area just a little more, because look at this, guys. Holy freaking moly. Excuse my freaking, but my goodness. Let's just stop here. Just take a minute and just enjoy this. If you listen very carefully, you can actually hear the snow melting. This would be an amazing place to come in the summertime. It's like, just look at that. Slightly apologize to anybody who has motion sickness. Don't know if that made you guys a little dizzy or not, but it's freaking beautiful. So I just want to thank everybody for coming with me on all my adventures. I want to say thanks to all of my subscribers and all of my viewers. And I know I have a little more viewers than I do subscribers, so please hit that subscribe button and turn on all your notifications, because then you can always see my upcoming videos. And who doesn't like to take a random adventure, right? I know I do. We're just coming out into another little mini clearing. So I am here today with my husband and my daughter. For all of you who don't know, I'm happily married with a sweet little 2-year-old girl. We potentially might run into them. I know that they're just a little bit behind me because, well, they don't really need to come on too many adventures with us. So maybe we'll say a quick hello to them. And just so much squishy mud. Just look at those though. I think it's a red squirrel. Oh, bunk, bunk, bunk. Oh, there he goes. Oh, I was a hair too slow to get a close-up on him. But it's okay. There's probably going to be so much more. It's actually a big clearing. So this is an actual forest. It's not really too far from my hometown. It's like literally, I don't know, maybe a 15-minute drive, which is really nice because I can always come back and explore in the summertime and show you guys all the trees with the foliage. And hopefully there'll be none of that because I'm a little bit done with the snow. As you can see, no jackets. It's definitely not jacket weather anymore, but we definitely have to get rid of that. So fingers crossed it's only going to be here for another couple more days, and then the rest of spring will start to happen, and then we can get to go on more random adventures of finding random beautiful spring things. So I just picked a random path to go down. What I didn't show you guys at the very beginning of this video, there's actually, I think it splits off into 3. You can go like straight down this way, or the way that was directly behind me. I chose this way because just thought it'd be nice. Let's actually go this way. Let's get off the beaten path and see what's out there. Maybe. What you guys don't know is that I can be a chicken sometimes. And I don't know, I can be a chicken sometimes. Like, it is a forest. It is in the middle of the day, so there shouldn't be anything to really be chicken of. I don't know if there's any like animals. Well, there's animals in like every forest, but I don't know if there's actually like bears and stuff in here. If there is, I'm definitely not prepared for bears. This is what I was kind of looking for. is that? Oh. I could have probably just kept following the trail and ended up here. But, you know, just enjoying the little things and exploring. Bringing you guys out on a nice nature hike. Doing a little bit of exploration. I found something. I don't know what I found. Like I said, I haven't really been here too often. But just look at how dark this gets. Not gonna lie, guys. I'm actually quite excited. You're excited. Holy crap. Look what I just found. Holy freaking moly, guys. Just look at that. That's freaking cool. See, this is the stuff that I want to find on my random adventures. Like, yeah, that's cool. It even has this beautiful little brick path. I'm going to take a quick trip around it just to see. Holy moly. That there is one fancy smancy teepee. I wonder how long this has been here. That looks freaking crazy cool. Quick side note. All these big rocks. It's a lot of really random large rocks. Just look at that. That tree is like one of the main supports, it looks like. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Alright guys, so let's continue on to the other cool thing that I think I seen. First of all, just look at that. Holy. This is amazing. I'm so happy that we found this cool thing together. One plus side about coming with me on some adventures is you can see cool teepees. So make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below about your favorite part of this freaking adventure so far, because there's a lot of cool stuff. And it's getting dark. So we are in the little dark path. There's more snow. Definitely am getting like a super creepy vibe. But you know, this is freaking cool. So this video is most definitely going to be one of my longer videos. So bear with me as I slowly walk over all of this ice. You would think I would actually walk on like the side where, oh, it's not super icy, which is what I'm going to go do. Alright. So one thing that you guys probably might already know about me is that I sometimes make very random sound effects. Like you'll hear like whoo-wahs and woos and ahs, and truthfully, don't know why I do it. Guess I'm just a very over eccentric person. But it's never a dull moment with me. Oh my god. But yeah, so just a little note to self out loud. Make sure I wear hiking boots the next time I come out here, because it is icy. And I truthfully have no idea where I'm going. Like I said, my husband and my daughter are somewhere in here too. So we might run into them. I think we're just going to take a moment just to listen. Minus all the cars in the background. If you guys see anything super cool that I happen to miss, by all means, comment below and tell me what I've missed. Because I'm looking, but at the same time, I'm trying not to fall on that. So, yeah, my goodness, guys. Try not to walk fast. It's just a bunch of the same trees over and over again. So maybe we can see if we can find anything new. Sorry, I keep hearing strange sounds. I semi-believe in the paranormal, and due to this being a super old forest, I don't know if there is anything paranormal, but drop some glasses. If you happen to see anything cool or whatnot, then definitely shout it out. Looks like we're coming up to a clearing as I attempt to stay off this ice, because I really don't want to fall, guys. Yeah, all this ice just shows how much snow actually built up out here, and due to it being so packed down, I think this is like a very used trail in the winter. A random clearing. Like I said, I have no idea where I'm going. I don't have a map. Nothing. Sure, I have GPS, but it's on my phone, and I'm kind of sorry for the sun. So, a little bit about why I'm doing Emmventures. Well, I think I'm actually going to turn around here, because there's no way for me to get across that super muddy puddle, and I don't feel like getting super wet. But yeah, so back to why I'm doing Emmventures. So, right now it's 2021, as you guys all know, because uploading these videos in 2021. And it's the middle of a pandemic for going on just a year now. And so sitting at home, we kind of ate a bunch of unhealthy food, kind of plump up just a little bit. So I figured I'm going to start going out on nature hikes and walks and just start coming across some very beautiful scenery and just have to share with you guys. Ball. Another random ball on our random Emmventures. I'm gonna go back through this little dark part. If you guys are enjoying this adventure particularly, let me know you want to see more stuff like this, because I will travel just to bring you guys some new content. Because not only am I doing this to get myself help, but I'm also doing this for entertainment for you guys, because my subscribers need content and my lazy butt needs to get out of the house. So let's keep going. Oh, almost died. Oh. I hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. Just gotta get up this little icy hill, and I swear it's gonna be more entertaining. But that's kind of cool. How deep that is. Okay. I just climbed that. Go me. Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm terribly sorry for the horrible cameramanning right now, but try not to slip on ice and get sticks in the face. So we're coming back out here to this nice open clearing, and the teepees around here somewhere too. There's a teepee. Well guys, I kind of think we're going to end our adventures here. I think I'm going to meet back up with my fam jamily, and we will definitely be on more adventures tomorrow. So, you know what you got to do? I know what I got to do. So you got to smash that like button, comment, subscribe, turn on all the notifications, and head on over to Facebook and check out my Enjoying the Little Things blog. You get all new updates, with all new upcoming videos and events and things like that. Not really events yet. If I can get enough subscribers, we'll definitely hold like maybe little hide and seek events or something. Who knows? So subscribe, comment, let me know what you think about the possible events. And yeah, stay safe, keep happy, and remember, enjoy the little things.